How to see your house in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not a Wi-Fi connection, switch to cellular data as well. Now tap on the Google Maps option over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then simply what you can do is tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, or you can simply tap on your locations. So let's select on one of the locations over here, and as we search for the location, it will show us. So let's tap and let's just zoom in over here. So we're going to just tap on this location and zoom in, and what you need to do over here is simply tap on this layer icon at the top right corner of the screen. So this will give us different options. Let's select on the satellite option, and as you do that, here you'll be able to see the house over here. If you want it detailed, all you need to do is you have to pin it and just get a closer view. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.